It's raining! Yay! The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. And I forgot the rest of the song. I can't wait to go down the slide. I wonder if it actually works because of the rain. Probably.
Don't go down below, there's dirt on it.
Oh,
Maybe later.
okay.
It gets lost.
Probably.
Alright.
How, do you think the pool is gonna fill up more than me?
Yes, I think it's gonna be more warm.
Oh, there's a bug. His name is Jeremy, I guess. Look at him trying to escape. Do 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 do. Oh, what's wrong, ball, that I totally didn't step on? You look disinflated. I want to sit on the grass here so badly, but then my shorts are gonna get wet. And I don't really want my shorts to get wet. So I'm not gonna sit on the grass. Oh, birds. Beautiful grass. Oh, there's lightning. You hear that? It's lightning. What? Trampoline time! Wee, 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 wee. Nope, nope, I'm not getting electrocuted. Okay, there's no rain over here. Hey, Namir, do you think there's a mango ready right now?
Oh, it's looking a bit sad because of the heat. But look, there's some growing already from the sad one.
Let it grow, let it grow.
Especially these ones, look at.
Yeah. Anyways, like I was saying.
Isn't the rain good for them?
Yeah, like I was saying. Let it grow, let it grow. We are